Hey, it's David Wall over at Wall Family Heating, Cooling, and Plumbing. It's cold in Pittsburgh this January. I want to reach out to our customer base and give them an update on the equipment shortage. COVID's hit us all hard as far as supply chain issues, and we're feeling it here as well. If you are without heat or hot water, reach out sooner rather than later so we can get your parts or equipment ordered to get you back up and running in short order. Our technicians do have space heaters and parts on their truck to hopefully get you up and running sooner rather than later. But if something does need replaced or a part needs ordered, we want to get that in sooner rather than later. To get a qualified tech out to your home as soon as possible, we're offering a promotion right now, $49 safety inspection. They'll look at your heating system or your plumbing system, water heater, that type of thing. We also are offering fantastic financing right now on both replacement and repair options. So take a look on our website for more information on that. Give us a call, 412-276-9245, or you can even schedule an appointment online at www.855getwall. Stay warm, Pittsburgh.